Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn Microsoft Word practical session. So please look at the screen carefully, okay? First we need to open Microsoft Word. Now look at the bottom of the screen. Click on the search. Now type Word. Can you see Microsoft Word in the list? Yes. Click on it. Now Microsoft Word is opening. After Word opens, you will see many options. Just click on Blank Document. Now we have a blank page. This page is called a document. This is where we will type. Alright. Place your cursor anywhere on the page. Okay. Now start typing. I am typing. My name is Ria. I am learning Microsoft Word. Now look at the top of the screen. Can you see B, I, and U? Yes. B means bold. I means italic. U means underline. Now I will select this sentence. First, I click on bold. See? The text becomes dark and thicker. Now I click on italic. See? It becomes slightly slanted. Now I click on underline. A line appears under the text. Very easy, right? Now friends, let's make the text bigger. First, select the text that you want to make bigger. Look here. This is the font size. Click on it. Now choose a bigger number, maybe 18 or 24. Look! The text becomes bigger. If you choose a smaller number, it becomes smaller. Very simple, right friends? Alright. Now let's change the font style. First, select the text that you want to change the font style. Look here at the top. You can see the font name. Click on the small arrow. Now you will see many font styles like Arial, Calibri, Algerian. I will choose a different one. Look! The style has changed. You can try different styles also. Isn't it interesting, friends? Okay. Now let's add some color. Select the text first. Now click on the font color icon. Choose any color you like. I will choose blue. Look! The color has changed. Nice, right? Friends, let's learn alignment. Select the text again. Look here. Align left. Align center. Align right. Now I click center. Look! The text moves to the center. I click align right. Now it moves to the right side. Now I click align left and it moves back to the left side. This is called alignment. Now let's type some items. I will type apple, mango, banana. Okay. Now select all three. Click on bullets. Look! Small dots appear. These are called bullet points. Very useful when we make lists. Now friends, very important step. We must save our work. Otherwise, it will be lost. Click on File. Now click Save As. Choose a location. I will choose Desktop. Now type the file name, MS Word Practice. Click Save. Now our document is saved safely. I hope you understood everything clearly. Keep practicing, okay? If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next class. Bye-bye.